quarter turn and a full turn.
Okay, grade 5s. First turn we are going to be learning is going to be the quarter turn. Okay. Starting position, nice stance, legs nice width apart. Okay. So first step is you're going to bring your leg back, okay, into a backward lunge. Okay, from this position, you're going to push yourself up and you're going to turn in the position of your leg going up, so in the direction. So we're going this way because our leg on the right hand side is going up. Okay, so all you're going to do is you're going to go down and use this leg to spin yourself around and then you land. Okay, so that is literally what you want to do. So use the leg that's not on the ground to spin you in the position that you want to go in. Okay, as Coach JJ is doing right now. Goes down and he spins. Okay, now he's gonna go the other way as well. So he's gonna be from going down as well, from there, and then he turns into that position.
Once more, you open the door.
So use this leg to actually turn yourself and use your hips to spin as well. Okay, that was the quarter turn. Now we're gonna do a half turn. Okay, same position that we are in. One leg goes back, now we're gonna spin a bit harder so that we're gonna make a turn. So you're facing one direction, you're gonna be facing the opposite direction when you finish off. We can even call this the 180 turn. Okay, so as Coach JJ is showing us here is he's going one direction and turning back the other way. So that I want you guys to know how to do it both ways. So use the leg again to turn yourself in whatever direction that you want to go. Use both legs so that you know how to do it on both legs. Okay, next turn we're going to be doing is going to be a 3/4 turn. Okay, this is just short of the 360. Okay, same position, but now we are going to be turning a bit harder, so we want to spin a bit more. So what does that mean? More hip action, more leg pushing, so that we can actually spin and get onto your toe. Do not spin on a flat foot. Try to rise up so that there's less friction under your foot. Okay, and as you saw what Coach JJ just did now, nice full turn going one way. Okay, and then try to test yourself going the other way as well. Then the final turn we're going to be doing, it's going to be a full turn. So what does that mean? Coach JJ is facing you guys on the camera, he's going to end up facing you guys. So it's a full turn, as most of you are. As most of you have seen ballet dancers as well, they can actually do that quick spin. So what we want to do is, we want to do one full turn. So you do the same thing, turn yourself hard, move your hips and throw your leg outwards so that you can actually get the spin. And make sure your foot is nice and high up off the ground. Okay, you're standing on your toe.
Grade 5s, keep practicing. Okay, might be difficult in the start. Just a day ago, I couldn't do it. But now, through practicing, I'm getting better and better and better. Okay, keep practicing, have fun.